I can say, I went there to my surprise. It's very flat. It has no meaning. As I said, tonality plays a very important role. Now, I can say something like, I'm sharing a story, for instance, and if I have a question mark, I can say it in a flat tone as well. Like, but how did that happen? I can say that like in a flat tone, in a conversational tone, or I can say, so how did that happen? That has to be there, right? It's not flat. World is not flat, world is round. So tonality also has to, match what we are saying. If there is a surprise element, for example, I went there, and to my surprise, or I can say, I went there to my surprise. It's very flat. It has no meaning. See, word will only have life when you put your tonality, your energy into it, expression into it. Otherwise, words have no meaning, right?